Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhammad Aliu. So if you have ever wanted to learn a new skill but didn't know where to start, so you're actually in the right place. So in this video, we're going to dive in on how you can use ChatGPT to create a customized 30 days learning plan, which is designed to take you from a complete beginner to professional. So in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how you can utilize this ChatGPT to learn a new skill. So ChatGPT is just a language model. A lot of people are out there already making money with ChatGPT. They are utilizing it in their benefit. They're taking advantage of ChatGPT, making money with it. So that's why I decided to shoot this video so that I will show you a step-by-step on how you can utilize this to learn a new skill that can help you in your life. So, and the skill I'm talking about is like you can learn graphic design, drawing, web development, and other skills that are like social media management. You can use this prompt that I'm going to show you in this video so that you can utilize it in order to make the best out of it. So before we continue the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. That one to help me. So welcome back. Here we are in the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a language model, as I said before. So you can use it as a mentor to learn different type of skill that you want to learn. So in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can use it. I have a prompt here that I've already written it down. So I'm just going to paste the prompt here so that you can put any skill that you want to learn. It's going to generate a step-by-step guide, a customized learning plan, a 30-day learning plan that you're going to guide us to how we can learn the skill in 30 days. So let me just go and paste the prompt here. As you can see, the prompt. So here is the prompt. I want to learn, get better at. You can now put the skill here at the middle here, and you can say, I'm a complete beginner. Create a detailed 30-day learning plan that include daily tasks and goals to help a beginner like me learn and improve this skill effectively. So with this prompt, ChatGPT is going to create a 30-day plan, including with a daily task. Do you understand? So it's going to create this thing, including the daily tasks. It's going to help you get better at that skill. So let's just try one skill here so that we see how we can utilize it. Okay, let's say we want to learn web design. For example, we're going to delete this one and put the skill that we want to learn. So let's say we want to learn web design. So here you can see the prompt here. See it. I want to learn, get better at web design. I am a complete beginner. Create a detailed 30-day learning plan that includes daily tasks and goals to help a beginner like me learn and and improve the skill effectively. So with this prompt, we are going to see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. Let's just submit the prompt and see. So ChatGPT has already started generating the 30-day learning plan for us, as you can see. Wow, that's massive. That's massive. That's including all the tasks they are going to do with the goal for every week. So that's very massive. That's massive. That's massive. So you can see it. That's week 3. Wow, that's massive. That's massive. So with this prompt is going to help you to generate this type of learning process. It's a very customized something that you can use it at any time you want. So that's massive, man. That's massive. As you can see, testing and optimization, building your portfolio. So you can also ask him to continue writing. So including ChatGPT even give you additional tips on how you can get the best out of this course. So let's read it. Let's just summarize it at the beginning. He said a 30-day web design learning plan for beginners. This plan is designed to help you build a solid foundation in web design over the next 30 days. You will cover the basic of design principle, tools, coding language, and practical skills. So this ChatGPT has already created this plan for you. It's just for you to follow it step by step. Just know what to pick every week. Let's say in the week 1, you're going to learn the foundation of web design. Do you understand? In the week 1, you're going to learn the foundation of web design. After learning that's foundation of web design, that's in the day 1, you're learning introduction to web design. So the goal for that day is understand what web design is, and it is important. Do you understand? So that's what you're going to learn. That's your goal for that day. So the task is read about the role of web designer, explore popular websites, and note what you like and dislike. Learn about different types of websites, blogs, portfolios, e-commerce, etc. That's the first day. Then the second day, you're going to learn the basic design principle. Do you understand? You're going to learn the elements of design, principle of design, and other things. So you have a goal. The goal is learn basic design principle. We have the task. The task is study the principle of design, contrast, repetition, alignment, proximity, and the rest. You understand? Research about the color theory and how to use color effectively. So all these things, you're going to learn them. Day 3, you're going to introduction to web design tools. The goal is get familiar with design tools. You're going to learn some design tools like Figma, Sketch, XD, and the rest. So the 4th day, that's where you're going to learn introduction to HTML. You're going to learn about HTML. That's the goal is to understand the basic of HTML. The task is learn what HTML is and its role in web design. Study the basic structure of an HTML and the rest. Then the day 5, you're going to learn introduction to CSS. So I don't want to waste much time here. You can see this ChatGPT has already given you a 30-day plan on how you can follow it step by step. Every day, that's what you will do. The first day, the second day, the third day. Just learn it step by step. Don't rush. Just take your time and learn it. The first day, you're going to learn about the foundation of web design. You're going to learn the basic of web design. Just take your time and learn about it. Make sure you understand it before going to the next day. You understand? The third day here, they said that you should learn about web design tool. So if you get to that day, just for you to make sure that you understand the tools used in the web design industry before you now shift to the next one. Do you understand? So that's how you can utilize this prompt and get the best out of it. So also, ChatGPT has given us a tips here. Let's look at the tips. He said that the tip is practice daily. Consistent practice is key to improving your skills. So this one is very important. ChatGPT is telling you that consistent practice of what you have learned is what will make you to improve your skills, your skills. Then you have to seek a feedback. See the feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from more experienced designers. So on this seeking a feedback, I will suggest that you should be asking ChatGPT. ChatGPT will become like your mentor. There is a way you can ask it. You can ask, okay, if you have any issue, let's say you learn about building a portfolio. You don't know how to build a portfolio. You can come here. You can ask ChatGPT to build a portfolio, to give a sample portfolio for web designer. ChatGPT is going to do that for you. That's very simple. And also, you have to stay updated. That's on the additional tips. Stay updated. Web design trend and technologies changes frequently. So stay up to date by the following design blogs, taking courses, or join design communities. So I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like the video. If you enjoyed the video, please comment what you like about the video. So thank you so much, and see you in next video.